Miami sister Penny Afia Pokuaa Vim lady. Esi se NPP for and we ya. Enu 2028 ya yen koto aba na party no na egu.
Anya sa mo dia wan ya be 2028 na party na egu.
Ye sure so what was sum. Adanti na all kasa me piepie me chirechiri no what ase. Na se wa hwe say NPP sheki kakra amobi aye ya na oba abonche aba be kasa. Enanu ya ena honorable Sarah Adwoa Sarfo e de exposés e ba abonche na a first school feeding program ene tiese ensamo na enipa no bi ka kire wo mu a na omuntie ai efutu ade mu a na omuntie asofofo a omu no mu kokonye ene tiese niema a omu aye ya omu hu se omu aye mfonso
nunu ye hu ne ye nsere na nkofo yawdie wo mu nkofo de omani tu ye so eduru ba bi asofo akese ye bompa ye gina ye chi nyina ye pa wo mu nyinara na tumi na ye pe no na enye huhu muku na o prayer warriors ni abandon in the middle of the road intimacy no Professor Michael Kwe mi bu ni pa mi bu no
ensem yi ena se Afia Pokuaa Vim lady ejina so se baby se owe NDC any NPP a se de NDC for AC ebo adwuma a omu ya ade wo propaganda any communication mo no anwe ya by 2028 na se de ebesi esi ewo NPP mu ebusia Magraheb amwate story no ase aha eye AJ gossips meshel se obeche wadwafa video a wo hwe hu na we a wa share nso ama wo nua bi nsa atumi akanti Afia Pokuaa Vim lady ese ono de enye anane da edi nkan a o ka kire NPP for oka ene ebusia yen target Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ene NPP mpanyufo ebusia osi omumfo mu nansi form anye sa ebeje ta.
Politics is about sense. Politics is about being wise politically. And you being wise if you're young, but politically you must be wise. Anything I make us say, a friend say, Kodiani ni team no, they must set them because being wise politically, no. In the handling of Adwoa Sarfo case, no, they haven't been wise politically. They haven't been clever politically. Dominica, clearly showing you the way. Justice by obedience and Kofu blame me abai and Kofu soon. Even a Kumasi you the one crassi doom so na me janaba. I didn't say how the Omodia boom. They are showing you the way so mama being our communication propaganda and analysis. NBC, you know, they are showing you so mama where more contact our idea wasn't come with them and Adwoa Sarfo asked me by your starting first interview, no my friend with them. Months now, who Adwoa Sarfo ko 2, 3, 4. Oba okay for my friend Adia Chemuko ni fi. Namo wa namada. Namabo. You didn't manage it well. And most managers were also release the press statement. They are back in a matter that you should have discussed inside. When you Adwoa Sarfo the kind of abonting that that's a corruption. Inti asema Dominica Unike. Any ordinary Ghanaian beautiful be on Ginech, no beggar say no credit. Even without questioning, they will agree say no credit. Because Adwoa Sarfo nankasa oya moment na catch them to school feeding. Oh, na say, and away, and I go for discount, and I say, and the first interview no, oh yeah, na kamone na tenase wo dem na maka. How yeah, boni bi afache any ade. Because some of the mistakes NDC, yeah, with Pokuaa Nido. But see, NDC for way Pokuaa Nido no muhu say. Pokuaa Nido no. Ama sideline Pokuaa Nido na ama some question Pokuaa Nido. You see, me see NDC about propaganda and communication. NDC ya de NPP. Adwoa Pokuaa Nido yeah, you know, saying to me affect NDC. Affect NDC. They got their vote pepe and even more. But more NPP, Adwoa to me manage. Eugene, Miracle Abuaji, everybody is talking. Opposition can create a mobile 3 months. You cannot even manage opposition. And I'm saying, I'm both away. Lord, come and nominate the penny for no more MPP. No, Papa just go, Professor Michael Kwe. Somebody should sit up in MPP. And yes, I'm only about 2028 in another party. Dr. Bawumia, now that party no opposition. Oh, Dr. Bawumia, you must wake up. Election the money lose when you concede defeat, even before crowd, mobile catchers concede defeat. Dr. Bawumia must wake up. All the other people are more potential. Some person must stand for the next presidential candidate. More sorry. Party agu. Hey, na here the Dominica ni boboso. Ni papa kwa on the property allegedly. Because Dominic Aini has not also been able to prove it. And I'm saying this is clever. And some no more say edume janaba. It's likely said you before the blame never to almost I no release the oral report on suspect. After between a dumine oral, then at least this one will take center stage for a few days. Now, mind this, you buy more time, no more to me, your homework perform before you catch up. They are giving you people around for your money. In fact, showdown now. Kennedy Japan Castle the Bema Baumiano. In fact, right now, NDC is giving NPP showdown. Hands down, this is 100% showdown. Mamu showdown, and they are still giving you showdown. So, my document no, the better one was the first 120 days. No. There's a reason why they are being smart. So 120 days in the end, this is she MPP style baby. Because you are not being smart. And Kamuluzu election, and I'm financial executive emergency meeting. Obia amunim semotia and announce you go on a apology tour, more patio tour. Omunyina no ma kan ma munyina obia cool it down. Alan kra monko me kan wa ha monko pa ne chaw. Nyina mo antie. And as I say popo bribri, as you pity a drobi agum so no obia kasa. Obia nobody cares about the consequences of what they are saying and yet because Adidija within NPP nanka said Didijanti. Omo amudidija omunyina so as all die be die. Njomu to be good party no. No mu guno. And omo mind this for ammunition and this for say the fireman. I'm making Dominic in the press conference. Let me pray. Yes, see, just says, oh, they my member Dominic. Oh Lord, have mercy. Hey, MPP, more problem. Monasa executives the Musaki Omunina. Musaki Omunina, Monty emergency management team. No more here because what is going on? Because if allegations are between Adwoa Sarfo and Waka, any the Dominic Inike, I mean, who even doubt the Dominic Inike? Who even doubt allegation or for making? I am one of the persons that because I am running everywhere. You can't make allegations and just get away with murder. Okay, so be for 1 city, 2 city, you must prove it in a court of competent jurisdiction. But we also have a court of public opinion. That's what NDC is using now against MPP. They know, say they have court of public opinion. Until by the time Ubedu atuguba court, no the court of public opinion. I say, why you will not survive, you will not survive. NDC, you see, they are using all this to pave way for 2028. And this is being smart. And MPP for no money, your mother. Me say, in a week, I galam say NDC supporters or moya galam say. Or my TSC kwaye mu ye galam say serious. At TSC sunsio mu ye galam say serious. The same week, a jato edum. That is the same week issue weighing in about Edubohin. Namu guys, NDC is strategizing. Most of their mother namo kontokwa. Mother namo kontokwa. Who is going to save Ghana? But I'm saying it is not a good timing for MPP for. Because social this week, parents said that Adwoa Sarfo making allegations internally. Say, for instance, school feeding. Onwa cover allegedly, she couldn't prove it. But Onwa say, as Minister for Gender at the time under President Akufo-Addo say, Onwa uncover Sikedie. Onwa call President Akufo-Addo what the report to command President Akufo-Addo and campaign. What do you make of that? She herself made those allegations. She herself.
Me so am ni minister bio nti me na musa akeke me wo ha me nya me belong to the pega me ko kwa ho asema ye pega me and ye mo to committee bi friend judiciary meeting cry and fre and so former leader bia no who current leader mo ko ne na se ko bisa ne say committee is very na wo penny and found to so e drume bi wo parliament na me na mu me ni committee ya dia assign me to parliamentary platform MPC na ne ye wo so information ba ye hu mo meto aba ye we ye yi mi different group ni mu say me ye traitor wo na mo so ni say okoye aba na mo sim obi akwa akwoto a mo di ba bonten saa no enya ade e na esi wo parliament enya no na esi wo ho enya one single vote to be na ye ka say enu nti no o de abiti professor ukwe etokwasi ye na nimguase ya ato ye na what ye bibi ni ye
on the way Afia Union Peace FM and I do but it's very, very serious. Allegations. Well, she wasn't speaking about this allegation, but she mentioned allegations on one the whole report come at President Akufo-Addo. The question is, how did President Akufo-Addo was it that it was frivolous? Because even I have said, allegations will make it against Obi to say Mrs. Kwasiga say Adwoa Sarfo should just keep quiet because the woman is not alive. And now who hear allegations it's here Obi, you must give the person fair hearing. She's a lawyer, you know that. You must give the person fair hearing. Yes, any panel uno. And now back can some a good so I wouldn't say any panel tiase. And she has no means of defending herself. And then Asama will make it. How can the person even have a fair hearing in the matter? What I say, but it still begs the question. Any ordinary person be able to say, I ain't do this point. How did you even get here? How did we even get to this point? What I say, and I make a MPP for they have a lot of homework to do. But I see this year is not a good year for MPP. At least this first 6 months here of NDC is not a good year for MPP. They must sit up, sack their executives. They just say, you can't even phantom. Who is in charge? This is the biggest opposition party. And it's NDC private govern here. It depends on how effective the opposition party is. Oko America sa, oko UK sa. Say Labour for the consecutive for the strength of the conservatives, no, and let's say how Labour will perform. America, the strength of the Democrats, and in fact, the two NPP for to say the two Democrats for America. As in Kuma, they can't see their way forward. And you are to say Donald Trump PC or corner style baby. Nobody can do anything to challenge him. They are not challenging him. Just say, but could be of individuals. It's that bad. That's the point of MPP. Because all these issues, they can resolve it internally. And so Adania Bonting. Anyhow, and by now, no, this is the time LGBTQ plus law, no way. NDC campaign say, Oba, they will make sure they deal with LGBTQ plus. And then it's been 3 months. LGBTQ plus also be a Kanwasem. Galamsey a major issue. There were demonstrations every week. There was demonstration. It was an urgent matter that required agency in dealing with Galamsey. Say, see, a party boys at Tiagu Kwaye Munisium. Galamsey. MPP4 don't have the balls. They don't have the people. They don't have the men because they are busy fighting internal fire. They are busy fighting internal fire. To won't even cry no more. They are catch abang say abang. Okay, so beba be LGBT asemo. Okay, so be fighting Galamsey. And to start dealing with those issues. These are the issues that are affecting everyday people. No, MPP4 now is busy fighting in Tokwa Wabonting. They are fighting in the Abain beer quality. It doesn't matter where you belong, but Abain beer, the quality of Abaino depends on Abaino Tiakonyaso and in the opposition. Because there are checks and balances. I don't know a kind of philosopher bika, or say power corrupts, but absolute power corrupts absolutely. And to the memory mabakufwa. Definitely to corrupt that person. It is incumbent on Abain Bias and the performance is dependent on opposition. So opposition is good. So opposition is a good one. Obeti me actually because Abain they normally or no namne kwanso. Say the nanuka the trust anonyms and a chia. And the opposition is clever, no me smart and not there be a say you fase ye say there be a say. If you are LGBT, some opposition and your word and can passes alone. But it is because opposition here awarding and a parliament, all 275 MPs, omunya voting in favor of LGBT law. No, that shows you how effective the opposition was. NDC at the time and MPP tia kunyaso. And the question is, NDC tia kunyaso, how effective is MPP? We omo parliament here I say omo ye juma kakra no a party nankasa no structures na say collapse. Until they are not able to give NDC any direction. It says, see, NDC mistake here. They will make the mistakes. There's nobody to guide them. So, baby, you are not even able to guide them. By now, Ashanti region, minority caucus, they should go to Kumasi. They do my J, make proposal. Oh, say Nigeria, this is a major disaster. Abaya, you say, it begs the question, say fire service, resources, also Aduma fire service. Yemfama or more. And what are we doing? Is there a long-term plan? I had the fire service support Bibama fire service, fire hydrants and comforting containers. So this is what we are challenging government. Government make sure that the fire service is resourced. This is the work of opposition. That's one opposition. One other kakayabino. Now opposition no kontokwa. No what you let Adwoa Sarfo hey yedi Adwoa Sarfo menkasa Adwoa Sarfo say. It means that there were issues that executives you failed to deal with. We say Dr. Baumia Wada, I'm sorry. Omo person who did president or MPP money running mate. Now this is the time you need to resolve the cracks because you can't. If your party collapse, who to me by candidate be our party so. Who to me by candidate be our party so. What you say? Into share issues not very well because Ghana no. And for that we have critical issues in Ghana. We have communities from Accra to Tema to Kumasi to each other. There were major issues. But attention in Nakodi and this in the MPP ni say ya.
Empanyin se asopa enchere asem etie asopa hoyi enchere asem etie eno nti sade ye sister panyini Afia Pokuaa Vim lady ese eno no na me ne no adwene because e wo se omu atete omu hu nyina mokopo omu chew na NPP party no musa kabombi because sade NDC for this speed eba no I'm sure na de menuaba Afia Pokuaa eken abam abusa filifu na share wanyo comment section no we a share video ma wonu ebinsa entumika asem kese wo hoyi ano kese na kampa Afia Pokuaa Vim lady say wona ye nhye ha ema eye honorable Adwoa Sarfo eko interview baako eko mienu ene ne mprensa ne enan so no sabra no na omu abobo anasa say meda wase na mama omo ene hye aha eye AJ gossips edin no edi AJ Magraheb.